Bay, gusto ko sana i-upgrade tong bahay namin kahit konti lang. Pero gusto ko yung may balik lalo na kung magbenta kami in the future. Ganyan ang tamang mindset. Ito ang siyam na DIY project na kaya mong gawin over the weekend pero may big impact sa home value mo. Number 1, landscaping. Healthy lawn plus flowers equals instant curb appeal. May ROI na mataas. Number 2, pressure wash exterior. Mukha agad mas bago ang bahay. Pwede maka-add ng up to 15K in sale value. Number 3, paint update. Fresh neutral colors equals modern plus clean feel. Low cost, high impact. Number 4, smart home tech. Thermostat, locks, security cameras, madali nang i-install. Energy saving plus buyers love it. Number 5, modern window treatments. Replace luma na blinds with clean functional shades or shutters. Number 6, replace outdated fixtures. New lights, handles, faucets equals fresh look kahit simple lang. Number 7, upgrade your bathroom mirror. Baguhin o lagyan lang ng frame, mura pero classy ang dating. Number 8, shampoo your carpet. Clean carpets equals fresh smelling home. ROI 169% average. Number 9, customize your closet. Install racks, shelves, organizers. Bonus selling point for future buyers. Hey, ang saya! DIY lang pero para na rin akong nag-invest. Exactly, pwede ka nang mag-enjoy ngayon tapos may dagdag value pa bukas. May plano kang mag-improve ng bahay, message mo lang ako, bibigay ko sa iyo kung alin ang upgrades na may pinaka-worth na ROI sa market ngayon.